Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that looks to energize and refocus you to get out there and chase your dreams down and make something big happen for you. Here is your quote for today from Amy Poulier. No one looks stupid when they're having fun. Too many people care what others think of them. But why do they do that? Other people's opinions are their own. And as long as you aren't hurting yourself or someone else, they don't really matter, do they? The one time that no one looks stupid is when they're having fun. So why not go and do just that? Go have some fun, do what you love doing, and enjoy this life that you were given while you still can.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.